In front of me is Hammer Blade 5 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Connected Devices. Then hit Pair New Device at the top and wait for available ones to show up. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Then select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to do the same. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!